Public Speaking Crash Course. Persuasive Speaking. Introduction. Public speaking is not just about conveying information. It's also about influencing and persuading your audience. Persuasive speaking is a powerful tool that allows speakers to sway opinions, inspire action, and create meaningful change. In this crash course, we will explore the art of persuasive speaking, delve into techniques that can captivate your audience, and provide you with the skills to become a persuasive powerhouse. Engaging introduction. Imagine a world where one person's words have the power to ignite a movement, change hearts and minds, and shape the course of history. Throughout time, persuasive speakers have emerged as catalysts of change, harnessing the power of their words to rally nations, fight injustice, and leave an indelible mark on society. From Martin Luther King Jr.'s iconic, "I Have a Dream" speech to Malala Yousafzai's impassioned plea for girls' education, persuasive speaking has the ability to transcend boundaries and create a lasting impact. Storytelling. The art of captivation. One of the most effective ways to persuade an audience is through the art of storytelling. Stories have a unique power to captivate, evoke emotions, and make ideas relatable. By sharing personal anecdotes, case studies, or even fictional narratives, speakers can create a connection with their audience and make their message more memorable. For example, imagine a speaker addressing a crowd about the importance of environmental conservation. Instead of bombarding the audience with statistics and facts, the speaker begins with a personal story about their childhood adventures in the wilderness and the profound impact it had on their worldview. By weaving a narrative that touches the audience's emotions, the speaker can inspire a sense of urgency and a desire to protect the environment. Now let's explore the top 12 persuasive speaking techniques that can elevate your skills and captivate your audience. 1. Establish credibility. To persuade others, it is essential to establish yourself as a credible and knowledgeable speaker. Share your expertise, credentials, and experiences that give weight to your arguments. By building trust, your audience will be more receptive to your message. 2. Understand your audience. Effective persuasion requires understanding the needs, beliefs, and values of your audience. Tailor your arguments and examples to resonate with their interests and concerns. By aligning your message with their values, you can create a stronger connection and increase the likelihood of acceptance. 3. Craft a compelling argument. Persuasion is built on the foundation of a strong and logical argument. Clearly articulate your main points, provide supporting evidence, and anticipate counter-arguments. Present your ideas in a structured and organized manner, making it easy for your audience to follow your line of reasoning. 4. Appeal to emotions. Emotions have a powerful impact on decision-making. Tap into your audience's emotions by using storytelling, vivid language, and evocative imagery. Make them feel the urgency, excitement, or empathy related to your topic, and they will be more likely to respond favorably to your message. 5. Use rhetorical devices. Rhetorical devices add flair and persuasive power to your speech. Techniques such as repetition, rhetorical questions, metaphors, and parallelism can enhance the impact of your message and make it more memorable. 6. Provide social proof. People are often influenced by the actions and opinions of others. Use social proof by providing examples, testimonials, or statistics that demonstrate how others have benefited from your proposed ideas or solutions. This can create a sense of credibility and build trust in your argument. 7. Address counter-arguments. Anticipate and address potential counter-arguments to your position. By acknowledging opposing viewpoints and providing thoughtful responses, you show that you have considered alternative perspectives and strengthen the validity of your own argument. 8. Use PERS. UASIVE language. Choose your words carefully to create a persuasive impact. Use strong, positive language to convey your message. Avoid jargon or technical terms that may alienate or confuse your audience. Simplicity and clarity are key. 9. Employ visual aids. Visual aids, such as slides, charts, or props, can enhance the persuasive power of your speech. They provide visual reinforcement of your key points, increase audience engagement, and make complex information more accessible. 10. Incorporate audience interaction. Engage your audience by incorporating interactive elements into your presentation. This could include asking questions, conducting polls, or encouraging small group discussions. By involving your audience, you create a sense of participation and investment in your message. 11. Use the power of pause. Silence can be a powerful tool in persuasive speaking. Strategic pauses allow your audience to absorb your message, reflect on your words, and build anticipation for what you will say next. Embrace the power of silence to create impact and emphasize key points. 12. Call to action. End your persuasive speech with a clear and compelling call to action. Encourage your audience to take specific steps to support your cause, adopt your ideas, or contribute to the change you are advocating. By providing a concrete plan of action, you increase the likelihood of conversion. Summarizing the power of persuasive speaking. Persuasive speaking is an art that combines logical arguments, emotional appeals, and effective delivery to influence and inspire. By understanding your audience, utilizing storytelling techniques, and employing a variety of persuasive strategies, you can become a persuasive powerhouse capable of making a lasting impact. Poem. The power of persuasion. In words, a mighty force resides. A power to sway, to turn the tides. With passion's flame and eloquence, we speak to move hearts and minds hence. Stories spun, emotions awoken. Connections forged, barriers broken. Through vivid imagery, we paint a world transformed, no longer faint. Credibility, our armor strong. Trust we build, and doubts we throng. Audiences' needs, we seek to know. In their language, our message will flow. Compelling arguments we present. With logic and evidence, well meant. Embracing emotions, we create a resonance that will captivate. Rhetorical devices, we employ to dazzle and to bring them joy. Social proof, we offer as a guide to persuade and in us confide. Counter-arguments, we bravely face and address them with wisdom and grace. Persuasive language, carefully chosen to leave a lasting impact unbroken. Visual aids, we bring to life, enhancing words, banishing strife. Interaction with the audience we seek. Their involvement, our messages peak. Pausing, we let our words resound. Silence, a tool that can astound. And with a call to action, we ignite the flame of change, shining bright. In the realm of persuasive speaking, we find the power of minds a-tweaking. With conviction and purpose, we stand, transforming the world, hand in hand. Song. The voice of persuasion. Verse 1. In a world of words and eloquence, there's a voice that can make a difference. It's the power of persuasion, strong and true. To inspire change, it's what we'll do. Chorus. With conviction in our hearts, and words that set the stage, we'll captivate, we'll engage. The voice of persuasion will turn the page. Verse 2. Through stories and emotions, we'll connect, painting pictures that they won't forget. With credibility and understanding, our message will be commanding. Chorus. With conviction in our hearts, and words that set the stage, we'll captivate, we'll engage. The voice of persuasion will turn the page. Bridge. Rhetorical devices will light the way. Appealing to their hearts, we'll sway. Visual aids and audience interaction, we'll leave a lasting satisfaction. Chorus. With conviction in our hearts, and words that set the stage, we'll captivate, we'll engage. The voice of persuasion will turn the page. Outro. So let your voice be heard. Speak with passion, spread the word. The power of persuasion is within. Together, we can create a world to win. Ending note. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.